My colleague Parveena is joining us right now. Now, Parveena, it's a bitter dichotomy because on one hand, you have an Aam Aadmi who has to stand in queue. If you want to withdraw money from the ATM, it's 2,500 rupees as an upper limit. In banks, it's 24,000. Many banks are running out of cash and are not able to meet even the 24,000 limit. On the other hand, you have these bankers turning commission agents, taking commission, taking their cut and doling out bulk deposit and bulk withdrawal schemes.
Absolutely, Devina. Time and again, India Today has been reporting every side of the story where we have shown that how bank officials have been working relentlessly. Here we find out how bank officials are into laundering money, and here even after 1.5 months or 45 days we see here a long queue outside ICICI Bank, and these people, even though the limit is 24,000, most of them come out with 4,000 or 10,000 because of insufficient cash, and we have been repeatedly saying that insufficient cash still remains the problem. And here we find out how these officials are opening so many accounts and helping people from changing to black to white or storing these money where they are not supposed to be stored, or even trying to siphon off en route. So it remains a big problem. We spoke to a few people who they are very angry and they said it should be suspended immediately. Government should act immediately on these corrupt officials because people still face problem. Even though the queues are shorter, even though the people are able to come out with some cash from the ATM, but the limits of 24,000 is still not met. I am in central Delhi. Remember, people from far-flung places come here. The only reason being they are not able to get sufficient cash, and this is the only part of Delhi probably they expect to go back with at least some cash.
Absolutely, and Parveena, we've been reporting and tracking it since day one. We've been tracking it since day one, Parveena, that how there are queues that are just not ending. Let's try and get reactions also, Parveena, from people around you, that are they able to withdraw the 24,000 rupees? Are they able to deposit their money after yesterday's confusion over questioning by the bank officials? And this at a time where India Today investigation has exposed bankers, some of them turning touts.
Well, yes, Devina, let's speak to some people and try and get reactions. Sir, आप बताइए, आप withdrawal के लिए आए हो, दूर से आए हो, आपको उतना कैश मिल पा रहा है जितना आपको चाहिए?
मैम, मैं तो 9:30 बजे से लाइन में खड़ा हूँ, अभी तक न ही टोकन मिला न ही कैश मिला, आपके सामने लाइन में खड़ा हूँ।
आपको होप है कि मिल जाएगा कैश? जब 24,000 का लिमिट है, वो मिल पा रहा है किसी बैंक में?
मैम, 24,000 तो कोई नहीं दे रहा है, 10-20 तो दे रहा है उसका, मतलब जब मिल जाएगा कैश तभी बता पाऊंगा, अभी कोई भरोसा नहीं है जो कैश मिलेगा या नहीं।
TVTN ने एक स्टिंग किया है जहाँ पे हमने दिखाया बहुत करप्ट बैंक ऑफिशियल्स अंडर द टेबल काम कर रहे, जो बहुत लोगों का 20 लाख 24 लाख उनके लिए बहुत डमी अकाउंट्स और बहुत सारे अकाउंट्स खोल के उनको कर रहे, वहाँ के लोगों को जो मिलना चाहिए वो मिल नहीं पा रहा। 5,000 में इतने क्वेश्चन
कैश तो मिल नहीं पा रहा, पर यहाँ काम भी बहुत स्लो हो रहा है। 1 घंटे में 5 आदमी बाहर निकले, कम से कम 1.5 घंटे लाइन पे खड़े हैं, अभी पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा, फिर कैश मिले ना मिले क्या बोल सकते हैं।
Heard it from few people that people still have the worry of not getting enough cash or even going back without cash. They still have this fear while they stand in the queue that until they their turn comes, they might even return without cash even after 45 days. So this definitely the common man might realize or might not realize, but definitely bear the brunt of not getting the cash he or she deserves, or to kind of cash which is his or her own money. But here we find out where people are actually able to, people who are supposed to, people who have such black money are not standing in queue, but able to change money, giving 20 or 30% of it. Remember, just not that. I have personally visited last week. India Today went to some UP villages. Even the villagers, even the people from rural areas complain of, even though the intention of fighting with the black money is there, they are questioning that corrupt bank official or the bank officials still remain problem, and insufficient cash remains a problem.